Hi guys, my name is Agustinus Krishna Raino. I'm from Physical Education, University State Semarang. I will explain and practice basic technique in football. Equipment in football is jersey, sock, skin tracker, shoes, and the ball.
First, stand with your body facing toward the ball. Second, left foot to convert be beside the ball and knees in the backward. Third, then swing your right foot from back to front. Finally, kick the ball with the target on the side. First, stand with your body facing toward the ball. Second, left foot to convert be beside the ball and knees in the backward. Third, the foot used to kick the ball is slightly rotated inside. Fourth, swing the foot that is used to kick the ball forward. Finally, kick the ball with the outer foot is touched or held on the ball.
Thanks for watching guys, and see you next video. Like and subscribe.